One company is Malaysia's foremost manufacturer of automotive lead-acid batteries. It is run with efficiency as a priority while observing good manufacturing practices. It not only meets, but consistently conforms to the highest environmental standards. This company is Yokohama Industries Berhad, one of today's leading eco-friendly manufacturers dedicated to minimizing the negative impact of industrial activities on the environment. Yokohama is consistently driving ahead with an ever-shrinking carbon footprint. Located in Malaysia, in the heart of Southeast Asia, Yokohama Industries boasts two excellent production facilities that justify its claim to be the market leader in local lead-acid battery manufacturing and distribution. It's also the leading OEM supplier to the national car manufacturer. At the sprawling 32-acre advanced production facility in Semenyih, Selangor, good manufacturing practices build the case for Yokohama as an efficient, clean and high-tech manufacturer. Its 8 business units, each one a profit center in its own right, reflect the company's emphasis on efficiency. Yokohama Industries Berhad is listed on the Malaysian Bursa with Hapsun Global, a Singapore PLC, as its single largest and controlling shareholder. A Yokohama battery always begins with lead alloy of the highest purity. State-of-the-art equipment is being used at various stages of production. These include a continuous casting machine which greatly increases and improves productivity. The flow moves along through the pasting, curing, and plate formation processes. Finally, after assembly and formation charging, the highly energized Yokohama batteries are packed and warehoused before delivery. 25% of its products are exported to 40 different countries around the world, all backed by its excellent service. R&D forms the very foundation of Yokohama, with its motto, learn from experience and grow on knowledge. In controlled surroundings, technology combines with meticulous attention to details, which realizes the high standard of quality that comes with the Yokohama name. Test equipment, such as a climate simulator, provides test conditions that simulate the most extreme ranges of temperature. Tri-axis vibrators simulate all kinds of terrain a battery has to perform in. These are just some of the measures Yokohama takes to ensure that it only makes the best. Little wonder then to learn that Yokohama will soon be adding to its accreditations of ISO 9001 and ISO 14001, the new standard of TS 16949. Whatever the process involves, a proper production environment is constantly and strictly adhered to. All surroundings are kept as clean as possible. Large air scrubbers keep the air clean in areas where there is particle emission. Not a drop of wastewater is discharged until it is treated. In fact, Yokohama can confidently claim that its recycled water contains the least amount of hazardous matter, with purity levels well within government regulations. Nowhere more than at its reclamation plant in Pangkalan does Yokohama demonstrate its commitment towards a cleaner environment while pursuing a sustainable lead cycle. As the only battery manufacturer in Malaysia involved in lead reclamation, Yokohama can, in fact, claim to take more lead out of the system than the products it sells puts into the systems. Yokohama's womb-to-tomb cycle is completed here at Pangkalan as batteries of all brands begin their recycling journey. First going through a cutting stage, crushing, and a separation stage where water separates the heavier particles with lighter ones floating off. In the thermal recovery process area, Yokohama's proprietary tilting rotary furnaces perform the initial phase of bullion lead recovery. This furnace operates off the principle of a closed-loop thermal cycle, feeding waste heat back into itself, resulting in greatly increased output efficiency levels. By depending only on its own recycled lead, Yokohama insulates itself from fluctuating LME prices. Warehoused scrap batteries become not just raw material, but they are also the hedge that ensures long-term cost and price stability for our customers. Furthermore, the wanton disposal of hazardous electrolytes and poisonous waste indiscriminately into the water table is controlled. Every Yokohama battery is therefore as green as it can be, made with recycled lead without any trade-off in quality, as the secondary lead produced is equally as good as primary lead from the mines. It is well-planned strategies like these that allow Yokohama to maintain its commitment to quality, while being equally committed to its environmental responsibility. In the carbon audit trail, from ore to usable lead, Yokohama's recycling model would register up to 5 times less energy utilized. Together with other green best practices in use at Yokohama, the company moves to within touching distance of its ambition to be a carbon zero battery manufacturer. Its efforts are well recognized by the Malaysian Department of Environment, DOE, which consistently cites the Pengkalan facility as a role model. For Yokohama Industries, the future shines with the excitement of R&D led excellence. Well aware of the trend towards hybrids and EVs, Yokohama is responding aggressively with ongoing research into high-energy density lead-based batteries. The future will see rising demand for low-cost, high-energy density batteries, and Yokohama will be right at the forefront of fulfilling that need. Yokohama Industries takes great pride not just in having a small carbon footprint, it is also self-formulating lead alloys and paste, thereby allowing for high-value maintenance-free automotive batteries which can be recycled at no adverse impact to the environment. The new Yokohama Beta alloy allows batteries to be produced in wet down, dry charged or unformed formats and yet be maintenance-free. Its 100% owned subsidiary, Yokohama Berhad, synergistically produces the state-of-the-art switch-mode commissioning chargers, battery analyzers, and battery management systems. A new era is born with the holistic approach Yokohama is adopting to providing total battery solutions. Go green, go forward, go Yokohama.